All right, all right. Good evening, guys. Good evening. Welcome back. Okay. My name is James. Okay. I'm a data analyst. I'm also a forest trader, right? So, all right. So, um, what are we going to today? We are going into data analysis stuff. So, all right. So, which topic are we treating today? So, all right. We are treating index and match in Excel or in data analysis. So what is index? You say index will return. Index will return. Sorry guys, I'm coming. Please. We say index will return to value, while match will return to the position of value. What does that mean? Sorry, what does that mean? You know, when I give you a table, when I give you a table to solve using index and value, they say index will return to value, right? So yeah, what does that mean? It means you have to pick, like, maybe they told you to find like country, right? So they told you to find a state in Nigeria. Let's say a state in Nigeria. In the data set, they told you to find a state in Nigeria. So you have to choose that state, right? And where the state is, the row number of the state, where the state is, which is, let's say Lagos, right? Let's say Lagos. You pick Lagos as your value, right? Then the row number, then it will show you the value that you are looking for, which is index will return to the value, while match will return to the position of the value. What does that also mean? It means that position of a value, you mean position of a value. So when they told you to find a country, or a state, let's also use state in yes, a state in Nigeria, right? So what are you going to choose? Number one, you are going to choose that lookup array, which is our state, the thing they told us to find, right? Which is our state. Then where we can find the state, which is Nigeria, right? And is it exact number or false number, right? So or true or false or exact number. So we are choosing exact number, so you will get the value. So that's why they say a match will return to a position of a value. All right, so let's go into it. So this is what we are going, in question. Let's go into the table first. This is the table. So in the table they give us revenue, EBITDA percentage, and country, right? So you have to save this thing. You have to save it. Come here. Save it with the name revenue. It has been saved like that. Alright guys, the thing has been saved. You don't need to stress yourself anymore. So let's save everything for us to be able to get, let's say EBITDA as EBITDA, right? So control copy, don't need that here. Then come here. Sorry guys. EBITDA. So save it. I'll enter it like that. So you have to save everything. All right. So let's also save this. Let's save this also. So let's come and save it here. Let's save it here. Enter. Let's save the country also. Country. Let's save it as con. Alright. positive. All right, so let's go into the exercise. So all right, in problem A, what did they told us to find? They told us to find what country is in the third row. What country is in the third row? What are you going to do? This is where you are going to use your index value, which is equal to index. Index. The array, which is country, the row number 3. Then enter. I see South Africa. What country is in this? That's why they say index will return to value. That's why they say index will also return to value. So let's check for another one here. What is the revenue in the 5th row? So your index formula, right, is equal to index then the array, which is revenue. We save it already. Revenue is it revenue, then comma, which what did they say? Is it O or what? In the 5th value, then click on it. 5th row, which is, you see, 387. After this, we're gonna check it. Let's go there. Then the match is, they told us, we say match will return to the position of a value. So what are we going to do? What is our lookup array? Let's use our match formula, which is equal to match. Then lookup array, which is Macedonia, right? So you can just click on this Macedonia, comma. Where can we find Macedonia? Is it country, right? So country, comma. Is it exact number or is exact number, which is 0? Then enter. You see 7. That's the row we can find Macedonia, right? Alright, keep following me. They say what column is EBITDA in? So what are we using? Which is equal to match, then EBITDA, then EBITDA, lookup array, EBITDA again. Exact number 1. That's it. So it's in column 1. Alright, so let's come here again. In here, they told us to find index and match. Right? So, and you hear this, like how are we going to find this? The question said find the revenue for each country listed below, which is use, and the question says use row number to get revenue and index match, which is, oh yeah, let's start. What's wrong with this thing? Is equal to index your array, which is your revenue, right? Revenue and row number. Sorry. Are you supposed to give us something like this? Revenue. Wait. This is it for each country. So we can just drop down. can just use drawdown. Alright guys, you see, but it's like there are mistakes here. Let me correct myself, guys. Revenue is zero. It's supposed to be all row, right? But why is it showing spills? It's not supposed to be showing this. It's not supposed to be showing this. It doesn't supposed to be showing this, right? It doesn't suppose. So they pay the same thing, right? This it. So now we are using index. Okay, sorry guys, let me is equal to, let me correct myself, I'm very sorry guys. Equal to revenue comma match. You do those index match, right? Comma match then A36, which I will look up at it. Have we picked comma match A36 comma revenue comma country. You know they told us to find country, comma country and exact number. So that's it. So this is this revenue for every country. So what about the index and others? Cheese. Sorry. Is equal to index again. Index A36 also. Okay, index revenue match B36 country exact number, then close the bracket. Tap. Oh, sorry. Supposed to get the same thing here. Sorry guys. So that's it. So this is it guys. Alright. Thank you guys for hope everything is clear with you guys. Hope I explained very well. Hope you are clear with it. Alright guys. So thanks so much for having me. Make sure you like, you subscribe, and you make sure you follow me. Alright. Thank you guys. See you next time.